What's up guys, it's Carabella. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be doing some stretches together. I'm one person who definitely likes to skip the stretches, but now that I'm trying to learn how to do the splits, I'm really noticing just how important stretching is, especially for muscle growth. So go ahead and follow along. If you're new here, don't forget to click the subscribe button and let's get started. For this first stretch, we're just going to be stretching out our hamstrings. It's really important to take it slow and be nice and kind to yourself, because if you're like me and you're not a really big stretcher, you might really feel some tightness. And then just go ahead and lightly sit back, but don't actually sit. Just really stretches out this area right here, which is your hamstring. If you want to make it a little bit more challenging on yourself, when you bring your foot back, keep your toe and your foot on the ground and just move your body back, and you'll really feel it more intensely. If you bring your foot up, you're going to feel it in your calf as well as your hamstring, but if you just keep your foot down, you're really going to feel it in your hamstring. And if you want to, you can bring your body to your leg, bring your body down a little bit for more of a stretch. But I can literally feel the burn. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna stretch out our calf muscles. Go ahead and put your foot up, just like that, and then just push back. Just push back. You're really going to feel a strain in your calf. Go ahead and bring your upper body down. Take your outside arm and bring it in, just like this. This is really good for your back and also your arm and the side of your body. You can even lower your other arm down if you want. I'm just gonna keep mine up, push myself off, and then take the other arm and go the other way. This stretch feels so good in your back. I can't even tell you how much this feels good. We are going to cross over our legs and twist our bodies. Don't try to push yourself too hard to the side. You don't want your back to crack. That's not the point of this. You just want to stretch. I know a lot of us use this pose to crack our backs, you know, and go really hard, but sometimes it's just nicer to be gentle with ourselves. Really try to straighten up your back and just push lightly. Turn your chest as far as you can go, the opposite way, and then just breathe. You'll notice that the bigger your breaths, the harder you'll feel the stretch, or the more you'll feel the stretch. Go ahead and switch legs. Same thing over here. I like to do each stretch a couple times just because I know I didn't get all of it done in the first try. So once my body's warmed up to the stretch position, I'll just go ahead and go over it one more time. Now we're gonna go ahead and lay on our back, and you're gonna put one foot up onto your knee, and you're gonna bring your other leg up, and you're just gonna pull it towards you. Don't forget to put your head back down on the ground so you get the full stretch. If you keep your head up like this, you might not feel it as much, so just make sure you relax your body and go all the way down to the ground. Go ahead and switch legs. Bring your leg up. Go ahead and switch legs again. And last time. All right, this last stretching move we're gonna do is actually an oldie but goodie, and we're gonna lay on our stomachs just like this. I feel like this stretch gets forgot about sometimes, but it honestly feels so good. I can feel my back muscles stretching, my arms are stretching. It just feels so nice on my lower back. And I like to even turn my body to the side just to get an extra stretch, and then go ahead and turn it to the other side. Don't forget to breathe and come back down. Just lift up your front half. It feels so nice, you guys. And then last position, go ahead and take your body, put your feet together, and just lay down. I hope you guys enjoyed this little stretching session with me. If you did, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Also, if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and click the subscribe button, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.